Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the notification on the lock screen in this device. So in this device this is the lock screen. Now let me show you. So here you can see all the notifications you can see here on the lock screen. So let me show you how to disable this one. Okay, for this go to settings, then tap on the option Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode of your device. Scroll down. So here you can see the option allow access when device locked. So if you don't want the notification on the lock screen, just turn off this option notification sender. Now lock the device. Now on the notification you can see there is no notification. It is hidden from the lock screen. If you want to enable this, you can see notification is not there. If you want to enable this one, again go to settings. Go to Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode, then turn on this option for the notification sender. Lock the device. You can see all the notifications you can see in the lock screen. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the notification sender in the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.